Good morning, everyone. We are going to present about a comparison to type of battery handle. I am Liao Chiwei from 2A, and my friend Cik Amirul Alif and Nurul Fahani also from DET Group 2A. Now I will introduce about battery handle. Battery handle are normally used in construction work. It normally used for drilling hole, driving screw, DIY project, construction and maintenance work. There are many types of battery handle used in different fields. We are going to compare two leading tools, for example compact drill and impact drill. I will highlight the similarities and different about their type, function, feature and characteristic. Now I will pass it to Nurul Fahani to explain about the function of these two types of battery handle.
My name is Nurul Farhani. I would like to explain about the function, feature and characteristic of compact drill. First, I would like to explain the function. The function is drilling holes, driving screws, DIY projects and construction and maintenance work. The feature, it has a small and lightweight size that allow user to carry it anywhere and is easy to hold. The characteristic is easy to operate for new users, suitable for light to medium work. In addition, the lifespan of this compact drill battery is long. Let's move to impact drill. The function of impact drill has a rotational torque to turn the bit like a normal drill. Percussive impact like hammering action help when resistance is met and have high power to give extra torque for tough job. The features have a high torque output, has an impact mechanism, and the drill includes a hex shank chuck. The characteristic is highly effective for fastening tasks and capable of handling a variety of applications. That's all from me. I will pass.
Hi, my name is Cik Muhammad Amirul Alif bin Cik Badisham. I would like to explain about both a compact drill and an impact drill share fundamental similarities. One portable electric power tool used for drilling holes and driving furnaces. Both available as cordless battery powered tools. Both can be used to drill holes and drive screw. They features a trigger for activation, handle for grip, and a mechanism, drill bit or screwdriver bits. Both are designed as compact portable power tools used in various locations. Next, difference between compact drill and impact drill. For delivery, drill use constant rotation. Impact driver use rotation plus buzzing hammer action. Cut types drill chuck for round or head bits. A collet for 1 or 4 inch head bits. Control, drill offer a clutch for torque and speed control, torque control. Features a clutch for adjusting torque and speed, preventing overdriving screw and providing fine control. Best use drive for precision, hold dryly impact drivers for high torque fitness driving. Now I want to pass which my friend is Liao.
Now I will compare these two types of battery hand drill. First, for primary use, the compact drill can drilling hole, driving screw, general purpose use. But impact drill can driving large screw, lead bolt, and nuts into tough materials. Next, for their power mechanisms, compact drill have standard rotational power, but impact drill have rapid, percussive rotational burst of power. For their chunk or collect, compact drill have keyless chunk that hold standard cylindrical bits. For impact drill have 1 per 4 inch hex collect for hex shaped bits. Next, for their torque, compact drill have moderate torque, ideal for smaller tasks, but impact drill have high torque for driving large fastener. Next, for their versatility, compact drill have more versatile for a range of material and application, including delicate surface, and impact drill have less effective for delicate materials or precision tasks due to its aggressive action. And for their control, compact drill have greatness control for precise application, but impact drill have aggressive action can make it harder to control for delicate jobs. For their ideal, compact drill can do home DIY project, furniture assembly, and drilling wood, metal, and steel. And impact drill can only taking screw, coach bolt, large fastener in wood and metal. Next, I will pass it to Nurul Fahani to make the discussion.
Now I would like to share about the strength and the weaknesses for both drill. First, I would like to share the strength and weaknesses of compact drill, such as compact design, easy handling, and suitable for light to medium tasks. The weaknesses is compact drill has limited torque. Let's move to the strength and weaknesses of impact drill. The strength is higher torque and power, also better for heavy duty application. The weaknesses of impact drill is heavier and more expensive.
In conclusion, both compact drill and impact drill are important tools that make work easy. Both can be used to drill holes and tighten screw, but they differ in size, power, and usage. The impact drill is stronger for heavy tasks, while the compact drill is lighter and more suitable for simple tasks. As a polytechnic student, we choose the compact drill because it is easy to use, is used in the workshop, lightweight, portable, and more suitable for student assignment or projects.